in Norman has issued a tornado warning for northern Pottawatomie County in central Oklahoma until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:27 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists and storm spotters were tracking a confirmed tornado 4 miles south of Gale. Doppler radar showed this tornado moving east at 30 miles an hour. In addition to a tornado, large destructive hail up to tennis ball size is expected with this storm. Locations impacted include Shawnee, Johnson, Dale, Bethel Acres, and Idelot. Take cover now in a storm shelter or an interior room of a sturdy building. Stay away from doors and windows.